With an intriguing pivot design, a powerful motor, and clever features, this Dustbuster Pivot VAC cordless vacuum model BDH2000PL is highly reviewed by many of its users. It goes for around $60 on Amazon and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Let's see what this one is all about, shall we? Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Good day, folks. My name is Ben Nguyen and welcome back to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this handheld vacuum from BLACK+DECKER to check out what is in the package when you order one online. We're also going to give our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and features. So let's do that right now. As we can see, beside this user manual and quick guide and a few screws for wall mounting, there's not much accessories that goes with the vacuum besides the vacuum itself and the charging base. The manual has all information about the product and its features, so make sure to give it a glance. Plug this standing charging base in, which is rated for 120 volt output, and set this vacuum on it to charge. Like that. When charging, the light here blinks and will stop blinking when it's at its full charge. Remember to get the vacuum charged for at least 4 hours before your first use. Here's the power switch, and just simply flip it to turn it on. The switch is snappy, which is great. Next, hold this down to allow for the pivot action and adjust the nozzle's angle. The pivoting feels well weighted and natural. The unit itself also feels solid and well made, which is always a good sign. For tight spaces, the crevice tool is integrated with the nozzle for easy access. There's also a brush or a duster which flips up and down like so. The dust bowl has a quick release latch that opens up easily on this side. To remove the dust bowl from the motor for cleaning, you can hold this down. Let me change my hand. Hold this down and pivot the nozzle to remove it. From here, you can clean the filter and the bowl itself. Now we'll give it a quick suction test to see how this handheld vacuum works freshly out of the box. Here we have some cornflakes. And let's see. Suction and balance feel great when operating, and as you can see, emptying out the dust bowl is super intuitive. The clever space-saving design also makes storing the unit in your room or car much easier. Basically, there's nothing bad or noticeable drawback about this particular model, at least not yet. But of course, that was only our first impression on the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Pivot VAC cordless hand vacuum. If you want a closer look and a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and like or share if you enjoy them. Consider buying from the link in the description to support us if you're interested in this particular product. And as always, thank you for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you next time.